So I'm really hoping that it's going to play out for us because, I mean, today, 98 degrees. That's the high that was reported at DFW. And this morning we started out at about 80 degrees, both about 3 to 5 degrees warmer than was considered normal for this time of the year. Today, with the high of 98, 99, we did not make it into the triple digits, meaning that we're still at 23 for the triple digit count of 2024, nowhere near what last year brought. Last year at this point, we had already reported 44 100-degree days. The final for the year was 55. And in 2022, if you remember, 47 triple digit heat days. And on this day, 2 years ago, we actually reported the last 100-degree day. So hopefully that brings us some good news here, and I'll show you what I mean on the 14-day. But tomorrow, a high near 99 degrees, likely for Dallas and in Fort Worth, 98 in Denton and in McKinney. A lot of locations getting very close to the triple digits, but not quite getting there. The humidity will be slightly lower tomorrow. With slightly lower humidity, the heat index will be lower as well. So we're talking about 102 for the feels like temperature on Sunday, triple digits through next week for the heat index. But the actual temperatures that I have in the forecast right now, upper 90s. Normal for this time of the year is between 94 to 93. So we'll be still trending warmer than normal, but at least we're not reporting triple digit heat, right? So here's what's happening. We have this ridge of high pressure, and this ridge of high pressure is eventually going to scoot off towards the east. It's also going to allow for us to see a few disturbances to roll into Texas. Not only a disturbance, but maybe even a front as we head into Labor Day. So those disturbances bring on some rain chances for mid to end of the week. But as the weekend rolls around, next weekend rolls around, that is, we'll see this front approach, and it does bring in some scattered rain into the area. This is not going to be widespread. This is not going to be a lot of rain either, but this front helps keep those rain chances in through Labor Day. This is next Monday, and that will definitely bring in some beneficial rainfall. The added rain and cloud cover could help keep our temperatures lower. Like I said, it's not going to be a lot of rain, and it's not going to be for everyone. In fact, between now and Labor Day, we could see anywhere between a trace to maybe a tenth of an inch of rain. Again, it's not a whole lot. And as far as the rainfall update, again, this month we've only picked up 0.35 inches. In August is generally one of our drier months, but even for August standards, this is below normal by 1.21. So of course, we'll be watching this number in the next few days because that does get factored in when we're talking about our drought status. Tonight, temperature drops to 79, mostly clear. It's going to be warm, humid. We'll have light winds in place. And tomorrow, a high near 99. Mostly hot, humid, breezy at times. That breeze doesn't help us too much when it comes to cooling us down. And there's those rain chances, maybe those changes that we were talking about. We could see some rain as early as Thursday. Again, coverage is going to be pretty low. Next weekend, during Labor Day weekend, we could see some rain chances go up. Coverage even a little higher Sunday into Labor Day Monday, and that in turn brings our temperatures into the mid-90s. So again, changes coming for us with less triple-digit heat. In fact, I have no 100s in the forecast the next 14 days.